Good morning children. Welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment 20 of our environment. The topic is the effects of human activities on ecosystem. Okay, this assignment consists of three type of questions: objective type, very short answer type, and short answer type. Okay, now let us see different types of questions and their answers. The first question is, identify the group of plants growing in Kuelu Lake. Okay, yes, A group and B group. A group Icornia pistia, B group Hydrilla vallisneria. Okay, actually Icornia pistia is the correct group. That means they are growing in Kuelu Lake and they are making the Kuelu Lake uncomfortable for growth of the water animals. Okay, right. Now read the sentence and correct the underlined word. So, being a profitable business, apiculture in Kuelu was started extensively in the 1980s. Actually, not apiculture, that side near the Kuelu or around the surroundings of Kuelu, not apiculture, aquaculture. Aquaculture was grown. Okay, aquaculture. Fish culture. Aquaculture means pisciculture, fish culture. Okay, right. Write the abbreviation of DO. DO for dissolved oxygen. DO for dissolved oxygen. Okay, now fourth question. I am a Twisty channel which discharges excess water from Kuelu Lake to Bay of Bengal. Who am I? So, channel, a small channel. Okay, it is about 65 kilometers from Kuelu to Bay of Bengal. So, what is its name? Its name is Upputeru. Okay, what is that? Upputeru. It carry excess water from Kuelu to Bay of Bengal. Now, let us see very short answer questions. When did Kuelu Lake declared as bird sanctuary? Kuelu Lake attracts number of nearly 20 lakh birds every year. It attracts from different countries. That's why that Kuelu Lake was announced as bird sanctuary. Okay, in November 1999. Okay, when did Kuelu Lake announced as bird sanctuary? In November 1999. Our government, that means AP government declared it as bird sanctuary. Which factors resulted in flooding of Kuelu Lake? Which factors? Decrease in water area of water and muddy ground. Okay, decrease of water area and muddy ground. These two resulted in flooding of Kuelu Lake. Okay, right. What is the catchment area of Kuelu Lake? Kuelu Lake area is extended about 6,121 square kilometers. Okay, how much area? 6,121 square kilometers of area we can see Kuelu Lake. Write the full form of BOD. BOD stands for biochemical. B for biochemical, O for biochemical oxygen, O for oxygen, D for demand, biochemical oxygen demand. Okay, right. Now let us see short answer questions. Define the words bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Let us see what is bioaccumulation. Bioaccumulation means the entry of pollutants into the food chain. Entry of pollutants into the food chain is called bioaccumulation. Suppose from the industries chemical wastes are releasing into the water. So that means what? Chemicals, those are waste. those are poisons, toxic materials. They are entering into the water. So in the water, there are many aquatic organisms. They all uses that water. Whatever the contents present in the water, they take in. That's why entry of pollutants into the food chain is called bioaccumulation. Entry of pollutants into the food chain. Into the food chain. It is called bioaccumulation. Then what is biomagnification? The tendency of pollutants to concentrate. The tendency of pollutants to concentrate when they are passing from one level to another level is called biomagnification. Okay, second one is the tendency of pollutants. The tendency of pollutants to concentrate when they pass from or when they move from one trophic level to another. One trophic level to another. Okay, that means concentration of pollutants in an organisms when they are passing. Suppose I said chemical wastes are released into the water. They are utilized by phytoplankton. They enter into first phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are eaten by zooplankton. Zooplankton are eaten by fish. Fish is eaten by man. That means the chemicals that are entering into the water, one by one, level by level, they are entering into the man. Finally, they are accumulating in the man's body, top carnivore. Okay, right. Now, 10th one. What are the major sources of pollution in Kuelu Lake? How the Kuelu Lake gets pollution? How it became polluted? Let us see. There are different reasons. Okay, agrochemicals. Agricultural residues like agrochemicals and fertilizers. Agricultural residues. Agricultural residues like what are those? Agrochemicals. Agrochemicals and fertilizers. So these are released into the Kuelu water. Okay. And also fish tank discharges. So around Kuelu there are number of fish tanks. Those all waste fish tank discharges are released into Kuelu. Discharges. Next, chemical waste from industries. So when the Kuelu Lake is an option for growing number of fish tanks and also industries, then automatically chemical waste released from industries. Chemical waste from industries also released into this Kuelu Lake. Next, municipal and domestic waste. Municipal and domestic waste. Domestic from houses, municipal waste, drainage water and domestic water, that all released into the Kuelu Lake. Domestic waste. Finally, more addition, that means extra addition of nutrients, especially anthropogenic sources. That means whichever the animal dead, the dead animals are throwing into the Kuelu Lake. So in such a way, the Kuelu Lake receiving pollutants. Okay, anthropogenic sources. Anthropogenic resources. Anthropogenic sources releasing rich nutrients. So when the rich nutrients are available in Kuelu Lake, the waste plants like Eichhornia, Pistia, such kind of plants will grow there. So then again it is the problem for the aquatic organisms. Okay, this is the key of today's assignment, my dear children. Thank you.